Want to be trendy this fall, but you're a little bit nervous about adding color, especially a bold color like this? No need. I'm here to help. Let's get into it. Hey beautiful! If you're new, my name's JanayNcoleArtistry, and here on my channel, I encourage women through faith, beauty, and lifestyle. Okay, on to the base application. Just in case you're wondering, all the products will be linked in the description below. Here I'm using the Milani concealer in 150 Natural Sand. And here I'm using the NYX Away We Glow highlighter in 09 Moonbeam. It's my favorite. On to foundation. These are the two that I like to use by Wet n Wild currently. The matte formula is in Caramel 374 and the Dewy formula is in Desert Beige. Okay, so here I'm blending out my concealer. You will see that I am just blending it out bit by bit. I have no idea where this brush is from, and I'm adding a little bit more just where I need it. Okay, let's set it, ladies. So I like to just do a very small dusting kind of everywhere, especially where I'm going to add powder products later. So just a tip. So I don't always contour my face, but yes, you are seeing things right. I am using a brow powdered product to apply on my face. Yes, I like doing that. Whatever works, whatever color, whatever palette works. Get it done, girl. Favorite part, the blush. I love it so much. I love blush. Okay, so I'm using the BenNye Theatrical Rouge palette, and it's in the color Red Brown, I believe is the color that I'm using, and it's so beautiful. This setting spray will be down in the description below, but it's the Pixie Skin Makeup Fixing Mist. Now that we're done with the base, let's head on over to the eyes. For top affordable brushes, click the link above. It's listed. So, autumn is my favorite season. I long and live for it. Wish it could be like that all year round, don't you? If this is your season, you know. But the Pantone colors of the year for fall 2020 and 2021 are Sandstone, which is like a peachy nude color. At least that's what it claims on the Pantone website. And the second color is classic blue. So it's like a navy kind of color, like a royal blue navy color. So we're gonna work with those together. I don't think I ever pair those two colors together, but we're gonna do that today in this video. I have two colors here. I cannot tell you who they're by because these two were in a palette and I depotted them. They're kind of like the same color, just about, but slightly different. Whichever one I decide at the moment, we're gonna freehand and just let our creative juices flow. I did not prepare for this video necessarily or anything like that. So we're gonna see how it goes. But that's what this community is about. We're about teaching, learning, supporting each other, and just embracing creativity, embracing who we are, and having a good time. Okay, so the third color that I'm thinking of is like a burnt brick color. That's what I'm trying to say. A strong, sturdy color is what the website says. And with that, I'm going to use the Sienna's palette by Profusion. That one I love. Like when you look at it, it's got those neutrals in there, but it also has that like pop of yellow, that orange, like that tangerine color. And then it also has like some really nice like burgundy plum shades and nice neutral browns. So I'm going to be using that palette. Let's go. Okay, so now that I got you up close and personal, hey, how's it going? Hopefully that wasn't too creepy. What I'm going to use is this Nurturing Force Twinkle Not Wrinkle Eye Cream and Base. This Essence eyeshadow base too, so that way that the peach color can kind of show up a little bit better. I'm going to use my finger for this. We're going to go in with this peachy shade, like I said. This one's from BH Cosmetics and a fluffy brush. And we're going to kind of work slightly above the crease because I have slightly hooded eyes. So I like to bring the color a little bit, like a little bit higher than normal. So like up here. And this is a nice size brush. I suggest wherever you want the most pigmentation, just make sure you start on the area where you want it. So I want the most pigmentation right here. So after I've dipped my brush in, I tend to just place my brush here and then move around the eye and then work your way in what's left. Of course, it depends on your eye shape, but I'm sure you can practice, just practice and see what works best for you. That's all it takes. And then I'm going to go in Oasis, which is a deeper kind of peach color, and just kind of tap and focus that on the outer edge here. Okay, here I am adding a little bit more of that peachy shade, more towards the inner corner of the eye to give more of a halo spotlight effect. So it's just gonna make your eyes look bigger and rounder. I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush here. This is a mini fluff brush, and I'm gonna dip into Madly. And we're gonna place where we want it, the most pigmentation. And this is just a beautiful tiny little brush. I think that's about kind of where I want it. Just about. Tap in there a little bit. Kind of get near my lash line a little bit more. Just kind of blend it. So that's what it's looking like. Okay, so now that we are done with the top, I just off camera, I used this fluffy brush, dipped it a little bit into Madly and just kind of like went over it like here just a little bit. And then I went in with the e.l.f. blending brush with a little bit more of Oasis, and I just kind of feathered it like here a little bit, blending it, and then tapped a little bit more in the center of the lid. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Cool Down. Let me get my mirror a little bit closer here. The lighting changes. It's because it's like right there. Okay, just lightly line the top of my lash line just to kind of add some depth. And then I'm going to add it on the outer lower lash line. I'm going to add it a little bit on the waterline here. Will it stay there? I don't know, but for video purposes, sure. It's really pretty together, I think. What do you think? Comment below what you think. Would you rock this? I mean, we're not done yet, but would you rock this? So I'm going to use a tiny concealer brush by e.l.f. I'm just going to kind of like blend it out a little bit, especially as we get to the inner corner. I just want to kind of use what's left on the brush, just so it's a little bit deeper on the outer edge. In this clip, all I'm doing is showing you how I'm holding the brush and how I am softly blending out the liner. I'm going to take that peach that we first used by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to just run it a little bit lower. So I just want to tap the edge. I don't want to really like blend too much. So I'm going to take the Oasis shade and just kind of like do the same thing. I don't want to really blend the colors together too much. But then we're going to go in with this blue shade and kind of get as close to the waterline as we can. All right. Now I'm going to go in with the Essence Metal Shock eyeshadow in 07 1 Second to Mars. I'm going to use this flat shader brush and just going to dab a little bit of the excess. And I want some sparkles, so I'm just going to put that directly in the center and just tap it in and just kind of have it like that. There's a difference. All right. And then I think that we're done. I'm going to come back with the other eye finished, and then we'll apply mascara and the lips. All right. So I did my mascara while I was off camera. I used the Mega Wear mascara from Wet n Wild. So this one, you're going to see this one a lot until it's empty. I don't open up a new one until it's gone. Okay. So I put a little lip balm on. Sorry that my lips were chapped this whole video. And also sorry that apparently my mustache is grown in a little bit longer than I thought. I mean, we're keeping it real here. We're keeping it real. Apparently, I needed to, shave. We're only human. So, if that was bothering you, sorry about that. But I noticed. You don't have to write it in the comments. But we're going to go on to the lips now. Once again, I'm not going to zoom in because this situation, this thing. So we're going to just pretend like it's not there, and we're going to keep it rolling, and we're going to go on to lips. So the lipstick that I decided was based on the swatch, once again, on Pantone, that like brick red, dark, strong color, as it was described on their website. I have it on a palette here, so it looks like this. It's really vibrant. And if you don't want to do the bold lip, it's okay. You don't have to, but these are the three colors: the peach, the blue, and then this color were the three colors I chose for fall. So this is what we're going with. Color is going to be in the description below, so if you're looking for what it is, it's down there, girl. It's down there. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think it's pretty. I think it's something different. It's something fun. You don't have to be like afraid of color, and it's definitely different. If you want more videos like this with the Pantone colors, I can come up with something else. But let me know down below. Comment and let me know if you check out that that Pantone Color of the Year site and what colors stand out to you. What colors would you like to personally see paired together? Yeah, just let me know, and I'll see what I can do for you ladies. I'll see what I can do. So that is it. So you can also follow me on my Instagram at JanayNcole, Ncole, at JanayNcole, JanayNcole. So it's missing an I, but you know, you can follow me there. I hope you know that you are chosen by God, and with Him, you are the special individual that He created you to be. Until next time, bye!